Do you want to be a presenter that gives information, or do you want to be a presenter that creates transformation? Today on Moxie Talk. Hey everyone, it's Via. Welcome to Moxie Talk, where we help you find your voice, share your message, and lead with confidence. Now, this is the second in a three-part series. Last time we talked about the introduction to your presentation. Today we're talking about the body of your presentation. Now, if you want your message to have impact and you want to transform your audience, there's a simple way to organize your presentation that's sure to do this. And I call it the audience journey map. So if you can imagine that you are creating a map in your presentation of the journey your audience is going to take from where they start in your presentation to where they end in your presentation. Now, there are 3 pit stops on this journey, and these are the 3 categories you're going to organize your presentation into. My favorite, and one of my clients' favorite, is the what, so what, now what? Those are your pit stops. What, so what, now what? Now, if you organize your presentation into these 3 categories, you're sure to create one that transforms your audience. For more information on how to create powerful and engaging presentations, check out the links below, where you get access to our free Mastering Virtual Communications mini course or access to our Mastering Virtual Communications live course. See you next time.